Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. This is David Melendez with egressfromstress.com. Egressfromstress.com. And egress means to depart, it means to exit. And so the whole point of that website is to give people tools so that they'll be able to exit the stress in their life. All right. And so I'm going to do in this video a review of Wealthy Affiliate. So I haven't been with Wealthy Affiliate for too long, but Wealthy Affiliate, I have it written down right here. It gives you the resources, tools to gain access to a community that truly cares about helping you and making your dreams a reality. And so I truly believe this. I really truly believe that Wealthy Affiliate is a platform to help others out. And what I like about Wealthy Affiliate is there's been other platforms that may be legit in time, right? But in the beginning, what they do is they promise you all this stuff. Like they promise you a blueprint, they promise you a business plan, and they promise you that, right, in the training, and you're gonna get all this stuff. But you end up paying an investment. You don't get anything that they promised you. Then you got to pay for something else, and you don't get anything that they promised you. Nothing. And so then they give you an upsell, right, of very expensive upsell for some training that at the time you can't afford, you know. And so, will it be legit training? Absolutely, it could be, But what if it's a bunch of fluff to even upsell you to even more training, that, like it just, enough is enough, guys. Enough is enough, like I don't want to be upselled so much, or upsold. So, Wealthy Affiliate, what I like with a Wealthy Affiliate is I would have never created my site, egressfromstress.com, you know. It gives me a place, that website, it almost kind of like re-spark the dream. I want to help a billion people, if not more, with my story. People that are going through what I've gone through right now, or have been through what I've been through and still are wrestling, people that have wrestled with stress and didn't have the right tools in their toolbox, right, to overcome that stress in their life, and they made bad decisions. I want to help those type of people out. So what I like about um, Wealthy Affiliate, right, the platform that I'm on, is you have a community that, like, you ask a question about anything right off the bat, that there's someone right there on, a constant instant message board that's, answering your questions right off the bat. You have free training right off the bat. And if you decide that you want to really pursue something, the future training is affordable. It's affordable training, and it's also legit training. It's meaningful training, but I mean, like, it's quality training. You might see some reviews saying it's outdated. I don't think it is outdated. You know, I own my domain now. Search engine optimization. I'm learning about that. I'm learning about, what's my niche, or my niche, or whatever you want to call it. Like, what's my passion, and how to really, like, communicate that to others, to the world. You know what I mean? And I'm telling you, man, when I say that they're gonna help your dreams become a reality, and to put your passion out in the world, to really touch others, and also to be able to monetize that, you know, so that you can have the time freedom to do the things that you want to do in life, you know, um, such as enjoy your family, such as, like, see the world, because traveling is extremely educational, truly educational. And a lot of times we're not able to travel because our jobs don't allow it. We work from 9 to 5, and the job says, okay, this is how much you're worth, this is what your value is, and you're gonna work all these hours. And I'm not saying that having a job is something to be looked down upon. However, for some people, a 9-to-5 job isn't for them. Sometimes a 9-to-5 job keeps them from their families, keeps them from really accomplishing their dreams and their goals. And so I want to encourage you, like, if you're looking for an a platform, if you're looking for like a, a, a platform that will train you on how to build a successful business, I really want to encourage you to check out Wealthy Affiliate. On my Beacon page, right, in my bio on YouTube, you can actually go to an area, right, that says grow a successful business online. And if you click that, right, you can actually sign up for some free training, right? So when you go to the page, I'm going to the page right now. When you go to the page, it's gonna say sign up. It's gonna say sign up. And then when you sign up, you can have that free training, right? Beginner package, $0 a month. You're gonna get one website, 7 days limited support. All right, there's not gonna be classes, but there's gonna be level 1 core training that you're gonna get, okay? And you're also gonna get Jaxi Starter. So Jaxi Starter, what that is kind of like keywords, right? So you wanna be able to, when you're creating like a blog or something like that, or when you're creating content on Google or on YouTube, it's very important that you use keywords, specific keywords, to help out with the search engine optimization, right? And so those keywords are going to help put you, either above the competition or among the competition, so that more traffic can come to whatever you're doing, either with YouTube or TikTok or Instagram or your blog on Google, right? So they're gonna give you free training right off the bat, valuable training, and you get to decide later on if you want to become a premium member. If you became a premium member, which you'll get, that's the most popular package. You're gonna get 10 websites, right? $100 a month value with those 10 websites, unlimited support, 52 plus expert classes per year, all levels, core training, Jaxi Lite, right? $19 a month value, and there's opportunities for even better training, right? So I recommend it. I feel like the people there are not giving me a bunch of fluff like others. Other people have promised me things. They're not promising me things, and they're not promising me things. So that's good. It's like, here you go. This is what we're gonna give you. We're not gonna, give you all this fluff and then you get nothing. So I recommend it. So check out my bio. Check it out, wealthyaffiliate.com. But in my bio, it will actually bring you to an area. Let me see where I put it. Well, how to grow a successful business. Check that out, and I'd love for you to tell me what you think. I'd love for you to, share with me, like what you thought about the training and how it helped you out, and whether or not you took the next step to become a premium member, because I want to motivate you. I want to come beside you, and I want to encourage you, and we're all in this together. There's a saying that I heard back in the day that wealthy people network while everybody else looks for a job. Wealthy people network. And so that's just what wealthy people do. They network with one another, they build relationships, and help one another out. All right, everybody, you take care of yourself, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you smash that like, and I hope you're well. All right, take care. Stay motivated. Hoorah.